This is Vilas Pol, Professor of Chemical Engineering at Purdue University. So lithium-ion batteries are useful almost everywhere, starting with your cell phone, laptops, and electronic devices. For example, toys of our kids, there are lithium-ion batteries. More than that, they are in drones, they are in submarines, they are in UPS, uninterrupted power sources, where you need the lithium-ion batteries to power it back. More than that, even the solar cell, you can generate the energy, but that will be stored also in lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are the electrochemical energy storage devices where lithium is stored in terms of lithium itself, lithium-ion itself. Namely, during the charge and discharge, you are shuttling the lithium from anode to cathode. For lithium-ion batteries, lithium is first of all light in weight, so the batteries are becoming lighter. They are somewhat longer lasting, so you can have your electronic devices powered up reversibly for longer time. They also produces high voltage, let's say 3.5 and higher voltage is produced. Other batteries cannot do that. So that is the significant advantage of lithium-ion battery. They do not have self-discharge. That's the additional advantage of lithium-ion battery. There are few disadvantages. For example, the batteries may not last too long. For example, you need batteries for electric vehicle. They may or may not work for 15 plus years. The shortage of lithium as well as cobalt is also becoming a disadvantage these days because we have very limited amount of lithium on the earth crust. So as you know that lithium-ion batteries came to market in 1991 by Sony company, and thereafter there is significant advancement happening. For example, the energy density of those batteries is getting more and more, so batteries are becoming smaller and more energy dense. There are another advantage where to make the batteries safer, even we are talking about solid state batteries where everything will be solid and almost fireproof batteries. There won't be batteries which will catch fire. We are also changing the form factor of the batteries in order to enhance the energy density. Namely, the way we engineer the battery is different than what we used to do in 1990s. So those are the advancement happening in the field. As you know that lithium-ion batteries are getting very popular, including in space applications. So in order to generate the manpower that will work for the industry or academia, Purdue University is generating lots of students who has the background starting from undergrad all the way to their graduation. We are creating more manpower that will have a significant background in energy storage area, namely lithium-ion batteries.